In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in a cell. Centering text is a simple formatting change, but it can make your spreadsheet look much cleaner and easier to read. Whether you're working on a title, a label, or just trying to make your data look more organized, knowing how to align text both horizontally and vertically is a very useful skill. To start, select the cell or cells that you want to format. You can click on a single cell if you only want to adjust one area, or click and drag to highlight multiple cells if you want the same alignment applied across a larger section. This is helpful when you're formatting headers, section labels, or any group of cells that should have a consistent appearance. Once your cells are selected, go to the top toolbar and look for the horizontal align icon. This icon usually looks like bullet points or lines of different lengths. Click on it to open the alignment options, then choose Center. As soon as you do that, the text inside the selected cell or cells will move to the center from left to right. This is what most people mean when they say they want text centered. And it's the most common alignment setting used for headings and emphasized content. If you also want the text centered from top to bottom inside the cell, the next step is to use vertical alignment. On the same toolbar, find the vertical align icon. It typically looks like 3 stacked horizontal bars. Click that icon and then select Middle. This will move the text so it sits in the vertical center of the cell instead of staying aligned toward the top or bottom. Using both of these settings together gives you a fully centered look, with the text positioned neatly in the middle of the cell in both directions. This is especially useful when cells are taller than normal, or when you're creating a more polished layout for a table or title area. If the alignment doesn't look quite right at first, double-check that the correct cells are selected before applying the formatting. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in presentation, especially when you're preparing a spreadsheet for sharing or display. Thanks for watching.